Ang hinahanap natin dito, yung team na makasundok ni Manny Pacquiao. We need that impact.
Maraming sundok pero hindi mabigyan, hindi malalakas pa.
So far, it's a nice deep boxing lesson that Manny Pacquiao is giving Brandon Bam Bam Rios.
So far, hindi pa nakakatama si Bam Bam. Hindi pa tumatama ng mga kombinasyon, mga katama niya sa katawan. Nagkapo nakikita natin sa mga kalaban niya.
Look at the rough housing tactics ni Bam Bam Rios, especially in the clinch. Nice shot, left hand. Pinawanan ni Brandon Rios, but he got hit. He got nailed.
You know, whenever Rios reacts to the play, you know he got hit.
Yeah, so
not as if he did not acknowledge that there was a clean hit. And that's the right way to do it. When you get into a clinch, man, you should push away.
he has to go for the body now. Yung dating sakit ni Brandon Rios, nakikita na naman natin dito, his style of moving in without throwing any punches. So you're saying that yung instinct ng boksingero, you go back to your style no matter what adjustments you make.
Yes, yes. Especially when the chips are down and you get desperate, sometimes you panic. You throw away everything that was there done in the gym.
Right hand ni Manny Pacquiao, dito pumapasok.
Yung tinatawag natin na default move, yung talagang babalik at babalik ka. Pag hindi na kumandali yung sinubukan mo sa gym for 3-4 months, you will always go back to what you know.
Brandon Rios, typically rough housing. Look at him, go to the body from close range. Manny throwing punches, but no connection that time. That time, no connection. And here you go, shots to the body, shots to the face.
He's not just having a hard time throwing his own punches. He's so busy trying to cover up.
Kasi naunahan, that's why. Manny has the right idea, I just hope he doesn't lose steam, no? Big round here for Manny Pacquiao. Going downstairs now. Too many punches being taken here by Bam Bam Rios.
That's the only time that Rios can throw his punches when there's a clinch.
Yeah.
And he's really using it.
Solid round here for Manny Pacquiao.